Hello everybody! Today we would like to demonstrate how you can change the lock screen on your iPhone 14 series device. So first of all, let's lock our smartphone, get ourselves to the lock screen itself, tap and hold onto it, and in here, as you can see, we can very easily customize the lock screen and, well, have a choice between various lock screen at the same time. So let's just add a new one. As it comes to the wallpaper, you can either set some custom photo image from your gallery, whatever you have over there, set it to be the photo shuffle. Let's just go ahead and set up some photos that we will want to see at the photos shuffle. Already I've accidentally choose a single one, so let me re-choose them. So I'll add those three. As you can see, now we have a slideshow like this. We can make the wallpaper for the lock screen completely out emojis we want to. So just choose any set of 6 emojis. You can repeat them, it's not a big deal. And well, those emojis will simply fill out almost all the space you have over here. Just like so. The next is the weather wallpaper, which will just show the current weather state. Next is the astronomy wallpaper, which will, well, show the space, the Earth in it, and, well, the Earth will face you the side you are located at, which is also a cool thing. There are also quite a few, well, astronomical presets to choose from. So Earth, detailed, generic Earth, detailed Earth, moon detail, and solar system. And as you could already seen it, each of the wallpapers we are switching between now has this little fields that you can also customize. So you can add some set amount of widgets if you'd like from the list of available options. You can change the font for the time, as well as the color for the whole installation over here. And, well, change the widget for these little upper part, the topmost fields. So let's say I'll just set it to be the city clock. Why not? Alrighty. Next, if you are satisfied with the changes, if you are satisfied with the wallpaper, lock screen wallpaper choice, just tap on done, choose whether you want to set as the wallpaper pair or customize the home screen separately. I'll do just the home screen separately real quick, just make it yellow color, why not? And just like so, we have customized the lock screen. Let's see what other configurations we can play with. Not much of them left. You can just make it to look the whole color, the gradient, choose between different colors over here. Pick some custom colors yourself. What else? There are also like different types of gradient you can choose from. So vibrant, tone, deep, vapor, bright, solid. Some featured wallpapers, like pre-made for you if you cannot be bothered with like personalizing and setting a custom one. You can just choose from the list of pre-made, pre-saved wallpapers. Very same and similar thing with the Apple Watch faces. So some collections, wallpaper, colors, and what's not. And that would be it. That's how you can customize your lock screen on the smartphone. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.